Welcome in our YouTube channel ERP SAP team. Today I will show you the next part of the WBS creation. I have showed I have completed my Migo activity till this date. Means I have transferred the material from our storage location to WBS and then WBS to network. I have assigned all the material to network. Getting my points? Most of the work from the telecom side or planning side I have completed. Okay. Now the steps for the accounts activity means transfer of the cost from network to WBS and WBS to AUC and AUC to our main assets. Getting my points? Ultimate, my project has been completed. This is a capital work, and once the capital work is involved, then capitalization is a very key process done by our accounts team, our accounts AO planning finance officer, which whoever is responsible in your company. Okay, so for the remaining accounts activities videos I have already uploaded. Okay, I will give you the link in the description of this video. Okay, and now I'm going to summarize what are those steps for the WBS creation. Okay, and thank you so much KK Chaurasia sir for the PS experts for guiding me to do such type of the activity in SAP to all the SAP PS users in all over India. Okay, and I have done all the activities in quality server of SAP in my company, well designed for the practice purpose. Okay, so in my company code is 1100 and plant I have taken is 3001, that is Tamil Nadu Circle Office. Okay. In quality server, I have taken each and everything just for the reference purpose. Okay. Once you start your activities in PRD server, production server of the SAP, that is the live server where you can maintain all the activity as per the live mode. Then you will deal that these basics video will help you how to start and how to updates and how to proceed in the work in the SAP. Okay, so come to our main topic. I have divided all the activities WBS creation journey in the 25 steps. Okay, in the 25 steps these are the basic steps. Okay, you can go through these steps, you will complete your journey of the WBS creation. Okay, still if you feel any problem while creation of the WBS, then discuss with L1 officer of your SSA or business area or L2 officer of your circle office. Okay, PS circle office PS module L2 officer, or L3 officer or core team officer of PS module in your company. Okay, L1, L2, L3 are the officers which are made for the resolving the issues faced by field units in companies. Okay, so come. Our first step for the WBS creation is the CZ01, and this is the responsibility have AGM planning or SD planning or DGM planning, whichever is whoever is responsible in your company, roles and authorization given to such a particular person. Okay, so once I have created the WBS using CZ01, CZ01, I repeat against this. This is CZ01, not CZ01. Okay, sorry. Once you have created the WBS using CZ01, define the basic activity and save by ASM planning ID. Then a WBS unique ID has been given to us by SAP server. Okay. Then the next step is the create the WBS element. Okay. Create the WBS element means CZ02. Getting my points? CZ02. CZ02 means I have to fill the project which I have created in the CZ01. Fill in the CZ02 project field in project field, okay, and intent. Then we will create the WBS element. Means at inside the any project there are n number of level 2 WBS, and these are the very important because all the activities has been performed in the level 2 WBS. Getting my points? And once the WBS element has been created, then third step is send the WBS for the survey. Okay. uh, Using SAP Notesheet, we will send the level 2 WBS for the survey creation. Survey done means the site of the survey, site of the project, survey report, approval of the survey report will done in these third step. Okay, third and fourth step. Okay, create survey document and attach the survey report by planning a civil officer or planning officer of your company. Once the survey report submitted by the planning officer or field officer, then the competent authority or higher officer will review the survey report and approve the survey report. Okay, approve and release the survey report. Once the survey done and survey released, then correspondingly you have to make the status of the WBS and project is survey done and survey approved. Getting my points? Okay, this is the fifth step. In the sixth step, change the status as survey approved. Okay, now the next step is seventh step, creation of network. I repeat again, this network inside any WBS there are n number of the networks. Okay, you can make the n number of networks, depends on the planning of your project, depends on the nature of work of your project, and you can make the various networks inside any WBS. Okay, inside any WBS the WBS creation transaction code is CN21. Okay, CN21 is for the creation of the network, CN22 for the change of the network, any changes in your network, and CN23 for the display of your network. Okay, creation of the internal activity. Once you have created the network, then a unique network number has been given by SAP server, and go in the CN22, fill the network number, and assign the internal activity, external activity, and prime cost. In each network activity, in each network there is a three steps, that is internal processing, external processing, and prime cost. What is the internal processing? Internal processing means what is the material planning in your WBS or in your network. All the materials activity will be planned in the internal activity. Okay, external processing, what is the external processing? In your project, in your project, whatever the services you have taken from the outsider vendors or any outside agency work, then these things will be booked in your external processing. Once you release the external processing, a purchase requisition number has been generated in your SAP workflow inbox, and after the approval of that purchase requisition, you will create the purchase order by using that PR which has been approved by the competent authority while releasing of the external processing. And once you create the PO using that purchase requisition, a corresponding service entry sheet has been created and corresponding MIRO has been done, and subsequently payment has been done to the vendor. This is the service purchase order path created using uh, this project. Okay, so creation of internal activity and creation of service using PR and creation of general activity. General activity is what is the any overhead booked like borrowing cost and Nagar Nigam permissions and any general activity which you should book in the general activity. Okay, once you have completed the step 8, 9, 10, 10, then you should change the WBS status to PECT and DECT. Project estimate created and detail estimate created. Getting my points? Once you've done this project step 11, then you should forward the note sheet to your account officer, chief account officer or account officer. In my company, account officer and chief account officer has uh, got the responsibility to do this step 12. Go in the CZ02, assign the investment management node, IM node, to WBS. You can also done this CZ02 IM node assignment activity to WBS by planning side, or you can ask to assign the WBS, assign the IM node to account officer. It does not necessary that this is done by planning officer, accounts officer, or planning officer. But my suggestion to you that please do this activity by account officer, because account officer will know the IM node. Account officer will know the status of the current year budget in the IM node, and all the activities through related to budget performed by the account officer. So step 12 can be done by planning officer on the recommendation of account officer, or done by the account officer on the request of planning officer. Okay, once you start the activity, go in the CZ02, go in the extras, select the WBS element, go in the extras, and go in this investment program, click on this, assign the IM node and approval here. Okay, and step 13, budget allocation to WBS from IM node. Okay, as IM node had been assigned to WBS, then AO planning or AO banking or CO banking will assign the budget to the WBS from IM node in particular financial year using transaction code IM52. As per the approval and the requirement of the WBS budget, account officer will assign the budget from the IM node. Okay. Once the budget has been assigned to the WBS in overall as well as in the current financial year, then next step, step 14, change the WBS status to PEFI by finance team. The itself that finance officer who has assigned the budget to the WBS will change the WBS status to PEFI, project estimate financially concurred, okay, by finance teams, and apply the availability control CJBV. Once the status completed VFI, then CJBV T code will be run by the finance officer to activate the budget control. Getting my points? 16th step. Send the note sheet for the project approval by GM oblique CGM or competent any competent authority. Okay, there is two steps. Either you can send the note sheet to the GM or competent authority, SSA heads, through the note sheet, level 1 note sheet for the approval of the project. He or she just approved the project estimate, okay, to done the project status DAP or PAP, detail estimate approved or project estimate approved. Okay, in civil project generally DAP, in telecom project generally we have seen that PAP, project estimate approved. Okay, either you can using CZ02 select the WBS and project, change the status DAP or PAP by SSA heads or competent authority. Okay, now the next step is 17, release the WBS element and network. Release the WBS elements and network, CZ02. Okay, releasing activities for the project as well as the WBS. Okay, one once the network has been once you will release the network, a PR will generated after releasing the external process. After release this PR, purchase requisition, create the service PO using this PR for payments to vendor. If any external services has been planned in your WBS or in project, then for the payment of that vendor you should create the purchase order using this purchase requisition. Okay, otherwise you will face the certain issue like budget error and all. Then the 18th step, posting actual cost to the internal activity using transfer posting and Migo. And you have planned the material in your WBS, in your network internal processing. You have planned the material. Then once you have planned the any material, then a reservation number has been created as and that is goes to the SDMM or MM in charge of your storage location, and that SDMM will do the MM activity will do the activity to supply the material from SLOC to WBS and WBS to network. Two MIGO activity has been done. First MIGO activity is transfer posting other using 415 moment type. Okay. And the second activity is goods issue against reservation using 281 Q movement type. Getting my points? Once two MIGO activity has been posted in SAP, then two material documents has been generated, and you can see these material document history using MB51 report of by in charge. You can run the MB51 activity, enter the material code and plant. You will see all the activity. Getting my points? Once these activity has been posted in the SAP, then these things are clearly reflected in the CGI3 report. Okay. After the completion of the MIGO, you run the CGI3 report, enter the WBS. You will see the all the activities has been posted. The cost summary has been reflected in the CGI3 report. Getting my points? Then 19th, step 19, review the project using structure overview report CN41. Once you have completed the MIGO activity, you will see the actual cost, order cost plan, budget, and all those things will be reflected in your CN41N report. Okay. A network activity, WBS activity, material cost, service cost, general cost, prime cost, each and everything has been all the overheads. Okay. Then step 20 to 24 is the accounts activity. Transfer. Now I have done all the activity, transfer the supply the material from SLOC to this location network. Okay. Now transfer. Now all the cost has been booked in the network. Getting? Now main motive is capitalization process. All this cost has been booked in asset. Okay. And finally that asset will responsible for that particular project. Okay. Step 20 is transfer of cost from network to WBS. Okay, this is accounts activity. AO planning will run CJ88 and then transfer the network cost from network to WBS. Create the AS01 asset, creation of the asset. Okay, accounts activity, linking of asset to WBS element, that is CJIC. Then again run the CJ88 WBS to asset, transfer of the project cost from CJ88. Okay. Now total of cost of project transfer to asset. Okay. After completion of the all the activities, close the WBS of taking management certificate of all works completion by planning team. Getting my points? For the step number 19 till the step number 19 and 18, I have created the detail activity. I have created the video. Okay. For the step number 20, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23 and 24, I have already created the video for the reference. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Getting my points? I will provide the link in the description of this video. You will follow those videos. I'm repeating against. I'm just very beginner in the SAP. I have just created these activity just for the reference of my company. Okay. The users who are facing the problem in the field for the creation of the WBS are not clear the basic concept of the PS while and he are facing the so many problems while creation of the WBS, are what are the steps by accounts team, what are the steps for the planning team, what are the steps of the uh, survey teams. So I have created the basic summary in the 25 steps. Okay. Getting my points? If you have any problem, if you have any problem or any query, then just mention in the comment box. For the step number 19, 20, 24, I will share the videos link in the description of this video. Okay, so please follow. I've already prepared the video till the step 18 in the sixth part of the WBS creation. So thank you for watching this video, and keep subscribe my YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for my latest SAP videos, and please share this video to your friends, officers, and colleagues. Okay, because sharing is caring. Once you share this video and give me like buttons like appreciations, and it will boost my confidence for the preparation of such a basics video, such a conceptual video in SAP. So thank you all, have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.